Liquid foundation can be your best friend or your worst enemy. Ever swiped it on, only to end up cakey, patchy, or melting off by lunchtime? I've absolutely been there. But here's the truth. Flawless foundation isn't about buying the most expensive bottle. It's all in your technique. So let's break it down, step by step. First, make sure your skin is clean and freshly moisturized. Seriously, don't skip moisturizer even if you're oily. Dry skin? Go richer. Oily skin? Try a lightweight gel. Combination? Balance it out. Give it a minute to sink in. Your skin will thank you. Next up, primer. This little step smooths your skin and helps foundation last longer. Pick one for your needs. Blurring if you've got visible pores, mattifying if you're oily, hydrating if you're dry. Just a small amount. You don't want your foundation sliding off. Shade matching is crucial. Test your foundation along your jawline, check in natural light, and make sure it disappears into your skin. Don't forget to match your undertone. Yellow means warm, pink is cool, and a mix is neutral. Now tools. Want a natural look? Use a damp sponge, just tap it in, don't rub. For more coverage, grab a dense brush and buff in circles. No tools? Fingers work just fine. Warm the foundation up, and blend from the center outwards. Here's my golden rule. Start with a little, blend outward, and only add more where you need it. Focus on tricky spots, around your nose, jawline, and slightly down your neck. Always check your work in daylight. Once you're evened out, hit any extra spots, like under eyes or blemishes, with concealer. Then set with a touch of translucent powder on oily areas, or a setting spray for a natural finish. Remember, less is more. Don't pile it on, don't skip moisturizer, and always blend. Master these basics, and your foundation will look fresh, natural, and totally flawless every single time.